Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video I guess. Now this one is going to be a lot shorter than the Android head unit install. I've just got some sequential LED blinkers off of eBay. Now, I really love them. Cool way to sort of customize your vehicle, and being that the Vitaras don't have any custom headlights or tail lights available, there's not really much you can do to these lighting wise that is straight off the eBay shelf, but obviously if you're handy with it, you can just pull the whole lens off of the front of the headlight and run your own daytime running lights and all that fancy stuff. But for me, I just want something I can quickly install and just make it a bit less like stock looking, grandpa spec, something like that. Anyway, let's chuck this up on the tripod and we'll get to it. I will say it is good that Suzuki actually equipped these cars with clear indicators, because obviously anything is better than the nasty like orange tinted plastic that eventually fades. But what I'll be installing is one of these sequential LED blinkers. It is pretty straightforward. If you grab the back of it and then push back towards the front of the car, there we go, out just like that. This is an eBay part. We probably want to actually just compare and make sure that they are the same shape. So you can tell that this has not been off in a while, so we're going to make sure they have the same style connectors. So we've got a little spring loaded bit here, we've got a little catch on the back, and from what I can see, it looks pretty darn similar in the way of the actual connector, but the only way to know is by plugging it in. So there we go, that's plugged in. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly clean up some of the stuff that is actually around the blinker hole. So what you want to do is, when installing this, you want to push on the, there we go, just like that. So yeah, pretty much push on that front clip, it'll bend in a little bit, and that will allow you to pop the other side in. Alright, so it is pretty much the same process for the driver's side, so we will want to push like that, and obviously we're pushing against this clip here, so yeah, push back towards the driver's door and then it will just pop out. We will disconnect the connector, just make sure it doesn't fall inside the guard, as it will be very difficult to fish out if you do not have one of those little reachy claw tools. So I'll just quickly clean this up. I think I done goofed. I think I installed it upside down. So let me just pull that back out again. The thing that I goofed on was the little lettering sort of stuff down there. If you can see that, that actually has to be facing the bottom. So again, we'll push back. There we go. That wasn't as easy as the other side. There we go. That was pretty easy, I guess, except for the whole driver's side not wanting to go in properly. But once I was able to push that little clip in with the trim removal tools, it actually went in smooth as butter. So don't get me wrong, these aren't for everyone. I find them to be cool looking. just adds a little bit more contrast to the side of the car as well. So I thought, being that we've got the black vents that are actually on the bonnet, I was like, well, it's not going to look too out of place having a tinted blinker. And then you got the black plastics around the mirror and all that sort of stuff. So I don't know, I think it kind of flows pretty well. Like 30 bucks or whatever these were on eBay. I think it was worth it. I like them. I like the little sequential part of them, just looks cool. And yeah, it's a really easy thing to do to your car. Anyway, this was a bit of a shorter video, thankfully, because I'm actually still in the middle of editing the head unit install. And if you're interested in knowing what my plans are for this car, definitely go and watch the reveal video. I do go into a little bit of detail on what I exactly plan to do with this, mods, things I want to do to it, all that sort of stuff. So that about wraps this video up. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that stuff really does help. Anyway, I will catch you in the next video, eh?